civil draftsmen, they stand. Blueprints of dedication. In every line, a story's written. Building dreams with steady hands. Civil draftsmen, they stand. In the offices where shadows play, the blueprints, the map to the day. With rulers and a compass tight, they guide the city's growth into sight. Blueprints of dedication. In every line, a story's written. We're shaping worlds with steady hands. Civil draftsmen, they stand. Blueprints of dedication. In every line, a story's written. Building dreams with steady hands. Civil draftsmen, they stand. Blueprints of dedication. In every line, a story's written. In the quiet of a morning light, draftsmen trace the future's might. So sharp and eyes on the prize, they draw the lines that cities rise. Through blueprints and the precision's call, each detail counts, no room for fall. From skyscrapers to bridges so tall, the hand-shaped dreams, day by day. Blueprints of dedication. Every line a story's written, shaping worlds.